Hey
Hi
guys,
guys.
it's me, Nguyen, and
me, Maddie, and it's me with Andy, scoot, Andy, no, come over here, Andy.
scoot over.
You're lucky. You're like literally.
Okay, we're all three vlogging, so I'm gonna show you. I'm filming right now, and Maddie is filming right now, and Andy is filming right now. So,
Adeline is filming right now.
alright. So today we're gonna do a unboxing of all of our stuff from the mall. So hope you guys like it.
Yeah, and we don't really get that much time. She's
Let's-
about to leave.
Let's start with this stuff. Alright, so we went to
It was Daiso,
yeah,
Daiso, Miss A, and what was that other one? Mini something.
yeah, mini phone. Alright, so we're gonna do Maddie start first.
Okay. So in mini so I have this KFC bucket.
Okay, she's gonna do all of her stuff right now, and then me and Andy will take turns because she's not gonna like it.
Yeah, Andy put all of her stuff together too.
Here's my other freaking bag.
Okay, so here is my mini so.
Ow!
I have a cheeseburger. I have whatever. Chicken.
Oh, why is it wet?
Oh, I sprayed it.
Oh, yeah.
And then I have some French fries.
She sprayed it because
No,
she dropped.
and also because we always spray it.
We went to a plant nursery, and she dropped it.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of hard to look at all the cameras up there.
And then I also have a cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll.
I forgot you got that.
It's a mold.
You don't even like cinnamon roll.
I do. A little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, I did.
Give that to Haley. She'll like it.
I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. See, nobody's gonna know. I'm just kidding. I haven't opened it yet.
No. Wait.
Okay, so
What?
it's like this little. It's like we can make like a rice mold with these. Okay, so we can do like a little.
No, we need to point to that you.
So here's like a rice mold. So like just like make a face. Little face right here. Like that. How? How do you do that?
Just put rice in it and then you press it down.
Yeah.
Oh.
See? And
I feel
then
like Bento's.
and you guys can see a butt.
Hey, it's not nice to show their booty. Oh. What is that? What is that? What is that?
Okay.
Okay.
So next thing.
You better not take
We have
long.
a trash can right.
That already took a minute. This is
Okay. So next thing we have this.
We're not gonna open that.
I know. We have the Be Fruity lunch bag. I'm not gonna open it. So yeah. So first we have a corn dog, and then we have 2 cheeseburgers, and then we have French fries,
And pizza
and
and
then
corn.
pizza. No, there's no corn.
Corn.
This is a
I think she broke the chicken.
corn cob,
What are you eating?
and then here is a soda. Okay. And then next thing we have a fan pop.
You broke it. It's not supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to be bad.
That's fine. Okay, so we're gonna open this.
You good? it sour?
No. It tastes like green apple.
It is green apple.
Yeah. That's what I said.
Sit back. Stop. Stop.
Next thing.
Andy. Stop it.
Now we have my curl set. I'm not sure if it works or not.
I don't think it does because it's one of those cheap ones. Look at this.
Yeah, we should have got a scissors for these.
Too bad because there's a thing right here.
Oh. Check. Check. So it's like a little curly thing.
Oh yeah, it's.
So it makes your hair like kind of wavy and stuff. Let me see it.
It doesn't even clip on.
Yeah, oh, it does. Leave it on for like a minute.
Okay, next thing. While you're doing that, while I'm doing that.
Okay, so next thing, we have this Tamagotchi.
That's not Tamagotchi. That's Gudetama.
Oh.
Why are you saying Tamagotchi?
I don't know. Okay, so this is Gudetama.
Andy, stop making loud noises. Girl, you're already taking 5 minutes.
Sorry, 7 actually.
No, because we did our intro. Yeah, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. That's a soy sauce bottle.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It literally says it
Yeah, it says soy sauce. Oh, soy sauce.
on the bottom right there.
Right here. You guys can't really see, it's blurry. Yeah, so anyways.
Carry it on.
Okay, next we have this bang clips. Bang clips. For my bangs, obviously, because, what was that?
Wait, did that go in the trash can?
Yes.
Aww. Sorry.
Wait, hold on. Oh, okay. So we have this bang clip. Okay,
I feel like this.
excuse me. It's still good. Like it's still good. So it's like
Stop coughing.
Okay, so it's like a
Ew, she just threw it up. Bruh.
my forehead is so big.
You finally don't have bangs anymore.
Okay, next item is the electric eraser.
Yeah, don't forget to look at the other cameras, guys. You're just focusing on yours. Yours is so special, that's why.
It's my camera.
Bro, why is mine so low quality? Yours is like, Andy, why is your foot wet?
What? Cause you wet me.
Oh yeah, because I used the water gun on her.
What, a gun? How do we do this? You what? Oh, I did this.
We're gonna
Come
try
on, hair. Come on,
We're
hair.
gonna try Andy's hair, guys.
Yeah, my hair's long. Why is Angie not in any of the cameras?
Because
We kicked her out. Haha.
I'm telling Mama.
You're almost going. It's fine. Okay, so next thing is this thingy-majiggy.
Is that your toothbrush and toothpaste in the bathroom? Is your toothbrush and
So you just roll it on. not even lips. Makes it glittery. And it's gonna hang on your lips. And not on your eyes.
Man, it's pause to do it. They got to get home. Come on, girls. Come on.
We can't pause it. And then now we have this curl mascara. Okay, and then next we have a flash pop. Sorry I'm rushing y'all. Just that. I just realized this. Small, medium, big. Oh yeah.
Okay. So Andy, scoot in more. Okay. Because you guys are going to film the rest of this.
So now we're gonna do it like,
Alright, scoot more. Okay. I'm going to do my outro real quick. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Go check Maddie and Andy's channel for
Hold on,
videos
so-
yesterday.
hold on.
But I will do my part soon.
Mine is Madison. Mine is Madison when 272, and then
I'll link it. I'll try to.
yeah.
And then say bye, Andy.
Bye.
Okay. Alright, so that's it. Bye, guys.